Welcome to Harmonious Adventures. Today we're out at Panama City Beach. We just left Lighthouse Marina. We have rented a boat, or I don't know, is it considered renting from our Freedom Boat Club?
We're boat club members. So
we're boat club members. We're taking one of the boats out.
Yeah, and
what is this lagoon called?
We're in North Lagoon, Panama City Beach.
We're in North Lagoon. We got Finn with us. We're gonna try to get a little bit of the air show today.
Yeah, I can't wait, because I can't wait where you can see where the airplane just went. Like last time when me and Dad came out here, remember Dad, when the airplanes went over our boat, remember?
Yeah, they did.
Yep, so,
yeah, and they went like flipping.
Let me show you guys. What kind of boat is this?
It's a 239 Key West.
Okay, we've got a 239 Key West today. Finn loves it. Look at this.
The boat's doing good.
Finn loves that.
Doing good.
A good little setup. Oh, I like these little beverage holders here. Pretty day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day.
Here, I'm going where the map is.
And this is the marina that we just came out of. All right, let's head out and go explore.
Yeah, we're about to have to take off.
Alright, y'all, we have had a change of plans. We are over here at Shell Island. It's gorgeous, but it was a little too rocky for the boat show. So, yeah, we are, let me just set this right here. I just could not handle all of the rockiness. It got like, very windy, much more windier than we expected. So, anyways, not too far away from the air show, so hopefully we can still see it. Finn has already jumped in the water. Look at this. Finn! Running away. Look at all those. Y'all turn around. Got it. Oh, brother. No. 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 Yeah. Oh, my. What are you getting?
What are you going to get? Let's say menu. Hey, hey.
Okay, so if you know, you know. In our previous Shell Island videos, there's no way we're going out to Shell Island without getting some ice cream. So when we heard the sound of the ice cream boat, Bo was going nuts. We actually got it twice on this trip. She went to some other boats and came back around because she knows how much we are ice cream fanatics. So anyways, just had to put this in because I think it's hilarious and definitely a staple when we go out to Shell Island.
Our mascot today?
Ooh, that is big.
That is a big one. All right.
Is it yummy?
Lobsters.
Oh, Finn got a pup cup. Look, Finn.
Look, Ian, no.
Look, it's right here. Finny. Right here.
Let's let him down.
If he ain't got a pop cup. Oh, you're gonna bust it open and try to eat it.
I bet he's happy.
He wants yours. Oh, there's another airplane over there. Wait.
No, the airplane show's already finished.
No, it's not finished. It goes all day. Can you smile for me? Say Airshow.
Airshow.
It's circling around right here. Look.
It's about to fly right over.
Ooh, here it comes, Bo. Look, it's gonna go right over us. Look. Cool. Meanwhile, Finn's still over here chewing on his. All right, Bo is pretending to be a captain. He's learning his rope skills. We're not untying the back anchor, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
There, right here. Slide.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this might be clean.
All right. Just make a leap for it.
Okay.
While y'all in there, get them anchors. All hands on deck.
I'm gonna jump off the boat this way.
Oh, man. No, Finn. Oh, don't. You wanted to be out here. Come on.
No.
No, Finn.
Wait, get me on your shoulders.
No.
No. Get you on the boat. On your shoulders.
No, Finn.
I'm gonna jump off the boat.
Finn.
Hey, I'm not getting out.
Okay.
I'm jumping off the boat.
Okay.
Come back here. There's a jumping platform.
All right, jump. Jump to me. No, Finn. No, no.
One, two. I'm trying to jump from back here.
Okay, well, watch out for the anchor.
Come on.
All right, I'm ready. All right, are you gonna jump?
Don't pull it on her.
I'm already used to it now.
No, not you.
Right here.
Get back.
Okay.
Get back. Get
Woo!
back.
Scoot forward.
Get back.
No, come on, you got it.
No, scoot
Come on, right here. Come as far as you can. Let's go.
Finn, no.
No, Finn.
No, Finn.
No, Finn. Leave it. We're getting up. Mom pulled up the back anchor.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mama.
And
We're leaving Shell Island.
yeah, and we're leaving.
We're gonna go cruise.
No, that was not what I was gonna say.
Oh, okay. Go
You can
ahead.
say first, okay? Okay.
Okay, I already said it. Now you go.
We are leaving Shell Island, and we are just gonna go fishing and just ignore those kids during that camera
We're gonna get. Where are we going?
to fish.
To fish and to cruise around.
Yep. Yep, we are.
We went swimming today. Bo and Mama.
Me and Dad. We went in
Going
the,
down the beach.
We have had a really great day.
yeah.
Still more to come.
Yep.
Let's go on some more adventures.
Oh, and you'll see our pool videos.
No, we didn't take any videos at the pool. We'll bring our camera out one day to the pool.
No, if we make it in time, we'll bring the camera to the pool today.
I don't think we're gonna make it in time for that.
We would have to leave right now if we wanted to go to the pool.
Yeah.
Right, Dad?
Yeah.
I want to go to the pool.
We're gonna cruise for a little bit.
And
We're
then,
gonna enjoy this.
and then go to the
Look at how pretty this water is. So pretty.
I want to drive.
All right, guys. Let's go on some more adventures. Let's go boating.
Yeah.
Sea Screamer.
Oh, there's a boat coming.
Oh, look at the kids over here. They're climbing on the seawall. Oh, look at the sailboat.
Wait, that's not a sailboat. That's a pirate ship.
It's a pirate ship?
Yeah.
Oh my.
There's two. One and two.
Seeing all the boats I passed that were going in it, even this big one right in front. They were like, man, it's too rough out there. We going back. It's rough out
Oh, they've got something going on.
there.
Oh,
Let's get away from this boat.
they got something going on.
Woo! All that black smoke.
Yeah. I thought that was a fire.
Woo! City today. We could definitely go eat. We can go eat there one day.
Is that an eating place?
Yeah, it's a restaurant.
Oh. No. Oh, maybe you eat and then you go on the pirate ship.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe that was where the pirates eat. Like maybe that's where the pirates eat.
Did you have a good time? I had a great day today. We saw dolphins, but we didn't get to record it because they went under really fast. Finn's about to pull me down. Don't let his trainer Andrea see that. Shout out to Andrea at Doggy Clubhouse. It's Finn's trainer when he was a puppy.
Boy, save me. He's about to knock me in.
Nah.
I'm renting a jet ski. That's what I'm renting.
Well, there ain't no jet ski for you to rent. They're all rented. Lighthouse Marina in Grand Marlin. This is where you get on the pirate cruise. Go down this little dock right here. Well, that's going to do it for us today. At the end of this video, you'll see we were on the way home going through Tyndall Air Force Base and actually caught the Thunderbirds doing a maneuver right before they landed. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Like and subscribe for more videos. Next week, we are headed to Disney. Join us, follow the channel. I'll be doing packing videos, getting ready, all the great things for Disney. That was awesome. How about that? Just right as I said it. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. If you are looking for a travel advisor, I personally feel like I'm the best. I'd love to help you book your next vacation, whether it be Disney, Royal Caribbean, even just a beach vacation. Let me help you out. I love planning vacations and making memories specifically for you or your family.